I didn't fail. I passed. Ooh. Goddamn. Goddamn. What's up, everybody? So, I was gonna do, as you can tell by the title, I was trying to do a video while being on a motorcycle, but what happened was I returned it for a huge reason. But this video is about the motorcycle safety course and stuff like that. So basically, you have to take the motorcycle class. There's no way around it. And I think I was like the youngest person there, and we all was, trying to get a license endorsement and stuff like that. The thing is, it's oh, nobody seen that. Okay, so the thing is, hold on.
Hey, yo, what's going on?
Our friend Poppy Mitchell has just been spotted in a high-speed chase with the cops. Like right now, bro. Apparently she's wasted. Get after them. See if you can snag a shot of her getting busted.
Basically in the class, you're gonna have to do the figure eight stuff. And that's what everybody's like scared of. Well, not scared of, but afraid to do. I failed the figure eight, but it's a trick around it. Supposedly you have to. It's with all clutch and the friction zone. Clutch and friction zone. Clutch and friction zone. That's what it's all about. I almost finally did it, but it was about over that time. But for a new beginner, it was two beginners, me and this other dude. And I was doing everything right. You gotta learn how to counter steer, how to turn. My only problem was the figure eight and the tight turn. The tight turn, because you know how they say to look where you want to go. I always look down when it's a tight turn for some reason. I don't know why, and I just put my feet down. And the figure eight, that's just hard. But the counter steering it's amazing. Like when you actually do it, you won't believe it. Like you won't believe what's actually going on. Like if you actually just press on the handle, and it's actually just gonna go that way. I forgot how much miles per hour you have to go, but it actually does work. The dude who never rode a bike just like me was the only person that got a perfect score on every single thing. I didn't fail. I passed. Ooh. Goddamn. I passed. I didn't fail the class. I was nervous at first, but it's easy. This is what everybody does. You look at YouTube videos about the course so you can get ready for it. I didn't have a bike to practice on. That was my first time actually get on it. And we took the test. Everybody did great. But so there's this lady. She was going, and I seen that she was trying to practice her brakes, because the test where you have to drive fast a little bit and press hard on the brakes. Well, I seen that she was pressing too hard, and when it was actually her turn to go, I was after her. When it was actually her turn to go, she pressed so hard that she fell off the bike, and the bike fell. And the thing about it is that she had the most spirit out of everybody. She was still happy. She was coming back for free next weekend and stuff like that. But she was the only person that failed in the entire class.
Get out of the car!
This isn't happening. This isn't happening.
This is happening. Step away from the vehicle. There. Wait a second. Mitchell. I saw that video of you.
How did I look?
Oh yeah, good. Hey, can I get an autograph?
I'll do anything. Let me know.
Anything?
Anything.
He said anything, so let's see what happens. Ah, I hope I don't get a copyright. What the hell did I do? That is a dead hole. Okay, so okay, so she was the only person nobody's seen that. She was the only person I failed the course, but she's going back and taking the game. What the cracker? Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. I'm not even gonna shoot you. That's the first time. Come on. Come on. Yeah, man.
What's going on? Cocksucker! Hey, get up!
Hold on, I'll call the ambulance for you.
Hello, this is 911. What emergency service do you require? Thank you. Paramedics are en route to your current location.
So, she fell. I keep saying that. That's the part. So we all passed. I went to the DMV, took it, blah blah blah, got my endorsement. Went and finally got my bike. Now this is the part where everybody needs to pay attention for. If I said that right.
We might be too late.
Ain't no helping.
Tried my best.
Ain't no helping. So I went and brought. Oh, okay. So I'm in college. If you're in college, and you know you don't live in the area, nor got an apartment and all that, and you know you need to carry stuff, and you don't. I suggest not to buy a bike, because that's what I did. I bought the bike. I noticed that I needed a car more. Oh, I'm not getting copyrighted. I brought a bike, but I noticed that I mainly needed a car, not a bike. So I had to return my bike. And the thing is, I returned my bike right before I was gonna go group riding. But let me tell you, okay, so my first time riding the bike, I stalled one time, and this is the most dangerous part, but I was good. I stalled right in the middle. Not the middle of the traffic, but like where it's like if you're turning right there in the middle, it stalled right there 3 times in a row while cars was coming. But you know, I eventually, you know, went off. But that's the only time that happened. But and I actually got a 600 because think about it. If you don't want to waste a lot of money, you know they said start on the 250 because it's not that much power. But eventually you're gonna get to a higher bike because you just want more speed and stuff like that. Like for let's say 250, most likely it'll go 70 on the highway. And 600, it'll actually go like 100 something. So which one would you rather prefer? So I started off on the 600, and it wasn't that hard. It's just, yeah, it's heavy, but it's not that hard at all. And you shouldn't be nervous about the test because it's really easy. The knowledge test and the actual test is it's very easy. It's the figure eight, the part where you gotta drive fast and, you know, brake hard. And they actually want you to brake. Dude was talking about, oh, I didn't brake too hard, you know, you could have worked harder. I was like, okay. And you're gonna have to, it's these curves, like, no, not curves, corners. Where you have to do some corners, that's on the test. I didn't see that. I didn't see that. I'm trying to think what's on the test. Of course, you're gonna take the knowledge test. It's a tight turn is gonna be part. It's not a tight turn. It's not like it's not only that only section. Like let's say you have to do a figure eight. They want you to do a tight turn into the figure eight. Well, at least that's what I did for them. God damn it. Now I gotta pay them bills. It's the insurance. Okay, so I can't remember what else, but I think that's all that's on the test. So basically, figure eight, the corner.
Bitch.
Oh, he my homie. Oh, oh, you my dog too. Come on, don't do this to me, bro. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. I don't want to fight you. I'm gonna call the police, you know. I'm not trying to get him. I just got out the house, bro.
Hello, this is 911. What emergency service do you require? Thank you. Police officers are en route to your current location.
So basically what's on the test is corners, figure eight, tight turn into a figure eight, driving fast and braking hard, and then all the stuff. That's basically all I remember. And you know, if you're just starting, you're gonna start up the bikes. You're gonna, well, before even starting the bikes, you're gonna get on the bikes. You're gonna move the bike left and right. You feel the heaviness of it. So you get used to the how you need to lean, and then you're gonna power walk, well walk with it, then power walk, and then eventually put your feet up, and that's basically it. So there's nothing to really get nervous about. There's nothing to be nervous about the test actually, cause I think you're gonna do a lot more, but on the test you do like only 4 things that you practice over already. So basically, it was 2 days for me. So basically, the first day you practice everything. The second day you practice like half of the day. Then you actually take the test. And then we took the knowledge test last. And they basically said, oh, everybody passed except for, you know, person like that. People say, I read the comments of YouTube's, and it's nothing hard. You're gonna practice it before you actually do it. So, and they're gonna speak to the people. They're gonna tell you what's a beginner bike there. Like don't be bold and actually go for the sports bike that's there, or cause we had a tall dirt bike, and nobody was getting on that except for one dude. And you can't pop wheelies at all. At first, like if you do by mistake pop a wheelie, they probably like just say don't pop wheelies, especially on the test, especially in the victory. If you pass the test and then you just pop a wheelie, you will fail. But other than that, you should be straight. And don't be scared to do corners. Like just use counter steering. What the? Just use counter steering, and don't be afraid to lean the bike. Even though it looks like you're going to the floor, the bike has way more lean than you actually think. So don't put your foot down no matter what. But also, if you know like for sure that you're about to fall, then I'd rather you put your foot down than actually drop the bike. Because if you drop the bike, then it's over with. Unless on the test, if you drop the bike, you automatically fail. But in the practice, you could drop a bike and they won't do nothing probably. But it all depends on the instructors. Oh, I let him hit me. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share this video. Whoever's taking the test, I hope you pass. Because it's very, I don't say it's very easy, but you know, it's good. You're good enough to pass even from the beginning. Because when I tell you I never rode on a bike before, and I seen comments saying that the people that actually never rode a bike, that actually tried to do it, failed, you won't fail, because I did it. Like, I've been looking at a lot of videos trying to get it straight. But, you know, you'll get it. You'll definitely get it.
What's up, Frank?
Cha! Okay.
Man, I ain't got shit.
Come on, baller. Come on, baller. Get back here, everybody.